Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And today the markets went down first of all, and then in the end we saw this spike, and then markets closed sort of in the middle, right? A little higher, but if you see Nifty exactly taking support from 21,600. Yesterday I had said that market, if we open flat and we wait about 21,600, then we can go ahead and take a bullish trade from here. But today, if you see, Nifty took support from 21,600 itself, but in the end, after making such a big red candle, we saw such a good green candle, right? But if you see now, Nifty has consolidated for a long time. And as I was saying previously also, that if we consolidate at this level, this is good for the bulls, right? And then we can expect a very good move on the upside. And because a lot of people have started accumulating short positions over here, so market will start to, once the market does start to go up, a lot of people will start squaring off their short positions over here, and we will see a very good up move again, which will take us up till 22,000 very easily, right? 22,000 is just a small target, but after that we can expect very big targets again on the upside, which could take us to even 22,500. Not very instantly, please do not get me wrong. This will not happen very instantly, but yes, it will happen soon, right? What can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now 21,620, again 620 to 630 is going to be very important, right? Once we start sustaining below that, and once we start breaking 21,600, so now as soon as we start sustaining below 620 to 630, you guys can then go ahead and start taking short positions. But below 21,600, we will go aggressively short, because then the market will first of all go down till 21,500, take a little bit of support or weight over here, and then it will break down again very fast from here, which will take us down to very big targets on the downside till 21,200 to 250, right? Which were our targets on the downside. So tomorrow, if we start sustaining below 21,620 to 630, you guys can start making short positions. But once we go below 21,600, that is when we will go aggressively short in Nifty, and then our targets, as I said, will be very, very good, very big on the downside. First of all, small target till 21,500, but after that we can easily keep 21,250 on the downside, which will be a positional target, because I don't think that target will come in just a single day. It may take 2 or 3 days at max, right? So that is if we open flat and start moving down. If we open flat and start sustaining over here itself, right? If we are not sustaining below 620 to 630, right, and we are going below, coming back up, going below, coming back up, that is when we can go ahead and take a bullish trade about 21,680. About 21,680 is where we will go ahead and take a bullish trade. Our first target will be very small at 21,720, but after that we can keep a very good target of easily 21,760 to 800, right? That can be a very easy target on the upside. But I don't think if we break out from here, then I don't think we will even wait near 21,720, and then we will come up very fast till 21,760. So if you want, you can hold all of our quantity and not book anywhere near 21,720, the first target, and you can just continue to hold it till 21,760 first of all, and then 21,800 on the upside. Because if you see, Infosys results are very much up, right? And I would like to show you one small thing which is going to be very important, right? Not very important, but which is going to be helpful, is if you see, Infosys has closed over here, but if you see the pre-market in New York, basically Infosys shares in New York, in basically New York Stock Exchange, they are up basically, I think 2% or something, right? I'm not sure of the exact number, but somewhere near 2%. So now Infosys results are good. If the market opens with a gap up again, then we can expect the market to move up very much from there, and then we can expect the market to give us a very good fresh breakout, which will take us up till 22,000 first of all, and then 22,500 on the upside, right? If we open with a gap up, let's say somewhere near 21,700, 720, we'll wait for just a little bit of pullback till 21,680, and once we get near 21,680 and we are seeing that market is making positive price action, that is when we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Again, with very good targets of easily 21,760 first of all, right? That will be at 760 to 750, and then 21,800. Then the market will take a little bit of halt over there, and then we will continue on the upside till 22,000. So our positional target is still intact of 22,000. Market is consolidating very clearly over here. Over here, market has also, if you see, basically trapped all the sellers on the downside over here who would have shorted below 21,500. But yes, even right now we have a chance of entering the market. Maybe what might happen tomorrow after gap is the market might not come down that fast, right? And if you are seeing that market is making price action at higher level, right? So if I could show you guys very simply, let's say market opens somewhere near here and market start making price action over here itself and breaks out, then you can go ahead and buy over here also, basically over here in this level, and then you can also go ahead and keep the same targets. But if we are opening with a gap up and we then want to take a buying position, then also keep your quantity a little less, because you are buying at higher levels, which is not the best scenario that we would like, right? Near 21,680, once the market starts making positive price action over here, that is when you can go aggressively long on the upside, right? Bank Nifty, if you see, Bank Nifty is still not that bullish. And even tomorrow, if Infosys results are good, that does not mean that Bank Nifty will be as same as Nifty, right? But anyways, if Nifty does continue to move up and if Nifty starts making an all-time high, we will sure as hell see a short covering in Bank Nifty also. So tomorrow is going to be very simple. 47,600 is going to be the important level that needs to be watched out for, right? Above 47,600 we'll go long, and below 47,300, 47,300, that is where we will go short, right? Below, if we go below 47,300 and start making negative price action, then Bank Nifty will not wait near even 47,000 or 46,800, right? I mean, it might wait, but it will then go on to make a new low near 46,500, most probably near 46,500. So basically 46,000, below 46,300, we should not make negative price action tomorrow. If we are sustaining below 46,300 and making negative price action, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade over here. Your target will straight up be 47,000 on the downside, right? And it is easy to keep this sort of a big target straight up because Bank Nifty is very weak. So we will get this target easily as compared to taking a bearish trade in Nifty, right? Again, on the downside, as I said, below 47,300, once we start making lower low, you guys can go ahead and take a short position till 47,000 on the downside. Do not hesitate to keep a big target in Bank Nifty on the bearish side, because Bank Nifty is anyways weak. And if Infosys gets good results and we still open with a gap down, right, and the market still goes bearish, it is sure as hell that Bank Nifty will lead that rally on the downside, right? 47,000 will be our first target. 46,950 to 900 will be our second target, which is over here. Then market might take a little bit of, basically market might stop for a little while over here. But if you want, you can book all of your profit and intraday, because then it's Friday tomorrow, right? So the market will be closed. So you can book all of your profit intraday and just go home empty. Or you can wait for Monday or Tuesday, where the market will then continue to move on the downside. So what you can do is, if you are an option seller, then you can think of taking your positions overnight, basically through the weekend. But if you are not an option seller and if you are an option buyer, you can think of, basically squaring off all of your positions and then making new positions on Monday, or if you see any sort of a new trade coming in afterwards, right? If we open the gap up above 47,600, right, or near 47,600, we'll wait for a little bit of pullback till 47,500, right? Or if we are seeing that market is making price action after opening itself, even then we can go ahead and take a buying position from here itself, because then the market will not sort of stop, right? But if we are but as I said, wait for strong price action over here near 600 or above 600. Only then go ahead and buy at high levels. If we are not seeing strong price action, and then we'll wait for market to come down till 47,500. And then if we are seeing that market is taking support from 47,500 to 47,450, you can go long from here also, and then we can keep big targets. Again, keep a target of 47,000 straight up on the upside. Then we do not really need to worry about that. After 47,800, 47,800, we can keep a target of 48,000, right? 47,950 to 48,000. Do not always keep a target at round number. Sometimes the market does not go up till round number, but comes back, 50 to 40 points before that itself. Then the market will consolidate over here for some time and then get ready for a new breakout on the upside. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I hope you guys like this analysis, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.